Welcome to LightBurn lesson number 1, installation for Gcode machines. So you've decided to give LightBurn a try. First thing you need to do is download a copy of the version that is appropriate for your computer. There's 4 versions to choose from. There's a Windows 64-bit, a Windows 32-bit, a Mac OS X, and a Linux 64-bit version. Now most modern computers are 64-bit, so start with that. If you get an error on trying to install it, then download the 32-bit version. Now all Mac computers are going to use the Mac OS X version, and Linux at this time is only available in a 64-bit version. So, as I said, you need to get a copy. So the first thing we're going to do is go to LightBurn software, if we can spell it correctly, and we want to click on the download trial link. Now here's those 4 versions that I was telling you about for my computer. I know it's the Windows 64-bit version I need, so we'll just click there and we'll save it. And once it's saved, we're going to run it. Now don't be alarmed when you get the Windows protected your PC message if you're installing on a Windows computer. This is because the program is not digitally signed, as it costs an immense amount of money to digitally sign a software product with Microsoft. Now the developers felt that it was much better to use the development money to improve the quality of LightBurn instead of just getting rid of a stupid little screen. So just click on the More Info link and choose Run Anyway. Choose Yes. Now most people want a desktop icon. If you don't want one, just uncheck the box, choose Next, and Install. Now the program won't take very long to install at all, as it's very tightly coded. There's no extra bloatware in it at all. So we're going to run LightBurn once we've hit the Finish button here. And the first thing you're going to be presented with is this general usage notes. You also have the option of looking at some hotkeys and some basic licensing information. Now we can just go ahead and close this. Don't worry about it. You can always get it back through the help menu. Now for a Gcode machine, you have to know what controller you have. Are you using the Cohesion 3D using Gerbil, the Cohesion 3D using Smoothie, a Do using Gerbil, the Fab Kit using Smoothie, a gerbil board, Destroy, basic Gerbil, Gerbil LPC. There's many choices. So before you download and start installing the software, make sure that you use one of the available forums to double check what controller you have in your machine. Now I'm going to pretend that we're installing this for a Cohesion 3D running the Smoothie controller. So that's the one I'm going to choose. Click Next. And you have your choice of connecting via serial or Ethernet. I do not suggest using Ethernet with a Gcode controller. They just aren't robust enough yet. So choose serial USB, click Next, and give it a name. We're just going to go with the default. Now, most people have these in their K40 type machines, so the developers decided to default the bed size or work area to 300 by 200 millimeters. If your machine has a different size than that, just enter the appropriate numbers. But I'm going to leave this one as if we're installing on a K40. So 300 by 200, just click Next. Now, where is the origin? Origin is not where the machine homes. A K40 will home to the rear left, but the origin, the 0, position, is actually at the front left of the machine. Make sure you choose this or everything is going to be bass-ackwards when you start using it. Click Next, and that's it. That was all there was to installing a Gcode version of LightBurn. Now the last thing you want to do is just click on the device that you had created and choose Make it the default. You notice that a little star came beside it, so every time you start LightBurn, it is going to go to this version.